Hey, get your pen, get your pad. We're about to draw. I can't wait. We're going to do some 3D shapes today. Are you ready? Let's do this. The first thing that I did was created my square. Then I can create another square about the same size or a little bit smaller if I want to show more depth. Then I will just basically, I'm just looking at the corners, the identical corners, and I'm making a line that attaches those corners. So from this corner to this corner to that corner, and this corner to that corner, and that's it. And it's basically done. But if I wanted to have the box or the cube open up, or I can just make it, I can make it like just a regular cube like this, like a block you will see, a toddler kind of playing with. I can make it like that, or I can make it into a open box where you can see inside the box like that. And let me color it just so you can kind of see that better visually. Or it doesn't have to open that way. It can open up another way as well. Let's open it up from the side, which is pretty cool, right? Yeah, so that's basically a 3D cube. So you just take a square or a rectangle and make another square rectangle, or you just rewind it and watch what I did all over again. All right, so next let's do let's do a pentagon. So let's say a pentagon has 5 sides, by the way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now mine is a little crooked, but it doesn't really matter. But what I will do is do the exact same thing as I did before. Let's do it this way. I'm gonna actually make mine a little smaller, just like I did with the cube. All right. So now it's time to get the lines. Some of you can probably already tell what this is gonna end up looking like. And if you haven't guessed it, you're about to guess it now. It is a toolbox. No, just kidding. It can be a house. All you have to do is come back across, draw the line there, do that. You can add some windows and all that fun stuff, right? All right, now we can use that same technique and let's do something really crazy. Let's create a star, but this time we're going to create a star from scratch. So I'm not going to use any fancy tool to create the star. I'm just going to draw it like I would draw it on a sheet of paper. But I'm going to show you how to draw it like the way we used to draw it when I was a kid. So there was this easy way. You have a line going up, line going down, going across, back over. And that's how we used to draw our stars. So not necessarily the best at it, because that was actually pretty good. All right, so now I can do another one and do the same concept, but this time I want to make it a little bit further away. Let's take this, let's draw this way over here, and I'm gonna put this point to the top point over here Oh, let's take it up some. I don't like the way that's going to turn out. Let's bring it about right there. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to take this, bring it to this top point, bring that to that point, bring even this point to that point, and this point to that point. All we're doing is matching points. Oops, let's make sure this is a nice clean line. And this one would also go over there, but because you wouldn't be able to see it, there's no point in drawing it. But look what we have already. Isn't that pretty cool? Now I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Well, a lot of bit, because it's really messy. And what you would do is just erase what you don't want. Unless you're using the same program I'm using. In that case, just do exactly what I'm doing. All right, so now I can clean up this part too. And look at what we have here. A 3D star. And we could go ahead and color it, name it. If you have a name that you would name your star, put it in the comments. If there are comments. I don't even know if there's going to be comments for this video. Let's see. All right. I like to see your stuff if you're willing to show us. And parents, please do subscribe and make sure that you like and keep up with this. I'm going to try to post something every chance I get. That's looking like every day. I don't want to make that promise, but I'm hoping to be able to post every day. I hope. We'll see. Peace.